Hey there, people. Well, we're out walking Dave's dog. We're on our way to Paperweight Girls, because that's where my three-wheeler is, and I bought a new battery for it, so we're gonna go install that maybe. Maybe. Make sure it fits first. Coming? Come on! Let's see. Let's tabak knock. Put your boots on and run. Ooh, ooh.
Cody, don't be a smarty first. Come on. It's okay, Cody.
Okay.
Lynn's not home?
I don't know. We're at Paperweight Girls things, and we're gonna switch this shit out.
Come here, Cody.
Actually, I'm just checking to see if it fits before I fucking charge it up. You're not doing it.
Marcel is working on his battery. See? He's over here.
Can't see me.
Get a good angle. Hey, look at that.
Okay, that one's coming off. This one's a bastard.
A what?
A bastard.
Oops, I best see up there, eh? Can't see nothing. Just a little bit of sun on your face. Hey, Mars. No, geez, actually got it.
No, I'm good. Actually. Yeah. There.
Come here, Cody.
See, this is the not. It's not the proper way to use a wrench, but it works. I just didn't want to scratch the finish on my new 10mm Tommy Martin's wrench thing.
Nice. Look, he dropped your wrench, buddy.
Okay, put it away. Seriously.
Yeah, put your stuff away there, Mars.
You're making me nervous. I forget what I'm doing.
I don't know. What are you doing?
I don't know. Shelly had to smoke me a joint before I came here, too.
That always works, eh?
It's way bigger, eh? Look how big. I don't know, same thing. A little bigger. It'll still work. Yeah, we're good to go. Just gotta bring that home, charge it up. We'll be romping in no time. Clean up these fucking things, obviously. Friggin' things. Whatever. Wonder if there's a small charge. Probably. No, there's no juice in it. Hello.
Hello.
I'm not that stupid, I swear. It's Shelly's fault. She smoked me some wacky tobacco.
I did not do any such thing.
We don't do that.
No.
Okay, the battery does fit like you heard. Just what the fuck is going on here? Somebody's scrapping in my neighborhood. They're scrapping plastic and metal. Don't like it. We're going to get some food.
And I'm with Freak here.
I'm hungry. Look, I'm not sitting in the driver's seat. Wonder why. So I want the chicken salad sandwich.
Sure?
Alright?
Sure?
Buzz.
Pardon me? No, I want an order of chili with that. Oh, has it? Okay. No chili. No chili. Just sandwiches? Just hurry up. No, just the 2 sandwiches, please. Do you want a coffee or anything?
Well, that really fucking sucks. Like, yeah, she's talking out her ass.
Can't fucking hear anything.
What's wrong with her, man?
Well, the truck's still goddamn loud. 698, give me the card.
Hi there, it came to 680
So the chili's off is what she's saying.
Yeah,
right?
we don't have it after time.
Oh, okay. It's hard to hear your speaker out there.
Yeah. The one down the street has chili, I think, till 10. Because we close at 11, they're all
I see. Okay. I heard that. Thank you.
What'd she say? She spit in it?
No. The girl handed the bag to her and said, "Thank you. Have a good day." She's like,
Yeah.
"I will." The other girl's like laughing her ass off. That's funny.
Chip stand.
Oh, I can't go.
Oh. Oh, Jesus Christ, man. Woo!
I see him, but I was already out. Like,
Turn around.
Back up.
Turn around, I'll go punch him in the face.
He's like beeping, like I can't fucking see you.
Well, you gotta learn to drive a bit better.
Well, you gotta learn to shut up, and people gotta learn how to fucking get in that lane so people can turn out into this lane.
We almost died.
Yeah, right.
Where's my sunglasses? So?
You're such a freak.
Any more close calls we're gonna see? I might as well videotape the whole way home. We almost died a couple times. Uh-oh.
Don't videotape me sneezing, ass.
Videotape everything. Fuck it.